Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Learn. Have you ever wondered how newspapers and magazines organize their text into beautiful columns? The good news is, you can create the same professional layout in Microsoft Word within just a few clicks. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create 2-column and 3-column layouts, customize their width, add vertical separator lines, and even make your document more attractive with colors and shading. So, let's get started. First, select all the paragraphs in your document by pressing Ctrl+A. Now here's a useful keyboard shortcut. Press Alt, P, J, and C one by one. The columns dialog box will open. Select 2 columns, then click OK, and boom! Your document is now divided into 2 professional-looking columns. Need a magazine or newspaper layout? No problem. Press Alt, P, J, C again. This time, choose 3 columns. Click OK. Now your document looks just like a professional magazine page. But we're not done yet. Let's customize the column sizes. Open the columns dialog again. You'll notice that all columns have the same width because equal column width is enabled. Simply uncheck this option. Now you can increase or decrease the width of any column individually. For example, I'll make the middle column a little wider. This gives you much more flexibility when designing newsletters, brochures, or magazines. Now let's make our columns easier to read. Open the columns dialog once more. This time, check the option called Line Between. Click OK. Boom! Again. A vertical line now appears between each column, giving your document a clean and professional appearance. If you ever want to return to a normal document layout, simply open the columns dialog again. Choose one column under the Presets section and click OK. Your document returns to the standard layout instantly. There's another easy way to create columns as well. Instead of using the keyboard shortcut, go to the Layout tab, click Columns, and simply choose the layout you want. Now let's make the document even more attractive. We'll style the headings first. Go to the Design tab, click Colors, and choose a color theme that matches your document. Notice how the headings and styles update automatically. Finally, let's highlight each paragraph. Select a paragraph, go to the Home tab, click Shading, and choose any background color you like. Repeat this for the remaining paragraphs to give your document a colorful and modern look. And here's one more bonus tip. Select the entire document again. Go back to the Design tab, click the Colors drop-down menu, and try different built-in color themes. With just one click, Microsoft Word instantly changes the overall appearance of your document. It's a quick and easy way to experiment with different professional designs. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Let's Learn for more Microsoft Word tips, tricks, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.